Welcome to this tutorial. My name is David Demaison, and this is the first of a series of tutorials I am dedicating to MusicCollection. So MusicCollection in fact is a program you can see right now. So it's a Windows application that allows you to manage your music files on your computer, and it's an open source project. So this is the first tutorial of the series, and I will show you here how you can import music to MusicCollection. So first time you will use MusicCollection, it will look like this, so pretty empty. And you can take a look on the left. You have the main menu, the main icons, and right now we're gonna click on this one. So Music Plus to import music. So here we are. So now we have this window here with which is showing up, and you can see here you can choose different type of import. And right now I'm gonna import a zip file. So this is the first option. So I will click here to select the file. Let me check here. Okay, I will go back and choose this one here. So okay, here we have a flag. We can flag the music as discover or collection. So based on this flag, you can make a search. I will show this option later. So let's just choose discover right now and click on OK. So you can see here you have some feedback on what he's doing. Extracting files, importing files, and now is displaying the music. So in this example, it's pretty quick. And what he has been doing, it has been extracting the files from the zip file, and he has been using ID3 MP3 information to generate this. And in fact, if he is able to find images on the same zip or RAW file, he will import this as a cover art. So it's pretty cool. Another option I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna import music right now. We will choose this option from directory. So clicking here to choose a directory I want to import. So let me go to the desktop, music to import, and I will choose this directory. So under this directory I have FLAC um, files. In fact, MusicCollection cannot play right now FLAC files. So what he will do, he will convert these files to MP3 and then import it into your collection automatically. So once again I will click on OK, and here again you can see here what he's doing. So right now he's converting this file to an MP3 file. So it's gonna take a little bit time because it's pretty slow to convert a FLAC file to MP3. So I may speed up the video to show you the final result. So we are almost here, it's converting the last file. Okay, so it's done now. So you can see now that we have a new album imported, and so that I'm using import from the directory with the option with conversion of file. And obviously if I have a FLAC file inside a zip file, it will have unzip the file and then convert it to MP3 and finally import to the collection. So this is main import option. I will show in another tutorial how you can make some modification of the information coming from the files. Many times, just after importing files, you have to make some minor correction or change cover art, for example. And let me show you quickly some option you can some settings you can choose to change a little bit the way it's importing file. So you have to go back to the left menu and click on program settings right here, and you have this windows showing up, and here you can tell MusicCollection what to do with the files when it's converting and importing files. So for example, if you're importing a zip file, you can tell him to delete the file after the import is done. So you can choose what to do if the import is okay or the import is not working. So you can delete the file, you can do nothing, or you can copy the zip file into another location when this is done. Um, you have also the option to choose what is the location of the final files. So here I have chosen to import to the MusicCollection folder, which is inside my music folder. But I could have tell him to just let the file on the original folder. Okay. Same thing for a converted file. You may want to destroy file after converting, or you may want to keep them because uh, in case of FLAC file, they have more information than MP3 file. So you can just tell him just not to do nothing, no action. In this case, I'll tell him to send it to the trash can. So basically, this is the option I can choose. And one another thing you have here is you can store in fact some password to uncompress zip file. If the zip file is protected by a password, he will try a list of password, and if it's not working, then he will ask you to enter the valid password. So couple of options to play with the file during the import. So you can see that it's pretty straightforward, and it's pretty fast to import big files or zip files. Don't have to manually do the work. So this is the this is the end of this first tutorial. Later on I will show you how you can edit the file and make some minor changes. Thanks for listening. It's David Demison speaking. Bye.